I'm picking, and Landon is picking. On the count of 3, we're gonna take him up, place him right in the headband. 3, 2, and 1.
Yo, this looks so weird.
This is gonna be great. All right.
Well, let's get in the challenge.
Round
so,
1.
My first guess, is it an animal?
Nope.
Okay.
Take a whiff.
Oh my.
I know. Bite a wing.
Oh yeah, I can't even smell it. No, this is actually a setup. Wait.
Bite a wing.
No, I have to get near it to smell it.
Here's a crazy twist he never expected.
I feel like it wouldn't be this one.
Let's see.